This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Jones. Welcome to this stunning 7-year-old custom home on a quiet cul-de-sac. With 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and over 4,300 square feet, it blends luxury comfort and smart design. The open floor plan features a grand 2-story foyer and chef's kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinets, island, and stainless steel appliances, open to the living and dining areas. A first-floor guest suite includes a full bath and laundry. The upstairs primary suite offers a spa-style bath with soaking tub, double-sink vanity, makeup station, oversized shower with sprays and bench, and water closet. 3 additional bedrooms, a second laundry, and a theater room complete the second floor. The third level has a full suite, walk-in attic, and a climate-controlled media closet. Outside highlights include a 3-car garage with Control4 smart system, powered shed, saltwater pool, covered porch, and spacious deck. May 1, 2025 for more.